Bobbaaloo TV.
Hello, little friends! Today we're going to learn ABC. Are you ready? Yes! A is for apple, bright and red. Can you say apple? Great job! B for ball. Look at the bouncing ball. Can you say ball? Wonderful! C for cat. Look at the cute cat. Can you say cat? Great job! D for dog. Look at the happy dog. Can you say dog? Wonderful! E for elephant. Look at the happy elephant. Can you say elephant? Excellent! F for fish. Look at the happy fish. Can you say fish? Fantastic! This is our friend the giraffe. G is for giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Awesome! Can you say horse? Brilliant! Look, it's the letter H. H is for horse. Look at the yummy ice cream. I for ice cream. Can you say ice cream? Yummy! J for jellyfish. Look at the beautiful jellyfish. Can you say jellyfish? Beautiful! K for kite. Look at the colorful kite. Can you say kite? Wonderful! Look at the majestic lion. L for lion. Can you say lion? Look at the playful monkey. Can you say monkey? M is for monkey. Look at the nest on the tree. N for nest. Can you say nest? Excellent. Look at the cute owl. O for owl. Can you say owl? Wonderful. Look at the colorful parrot. P for parrot. Can you say parrot? Great job. Look at the beautiful queen. Q for queen. Can you say queen? Wonderful. Look at the beautiful rainbow. R for rainbow. Can you say rainbow? Gorgeous. Look at the fluffy sheep. S for sheep. Can you say sheep? Excellent. Look at the happy train. T for train. Can you say train? Great job. U for umbrella. Can you say umbrella? Super. V is for violin. Look at the lovely violin. This is the letter W. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Look at the musical xylophone. The letter Y. Y is for yacht. Look at the sailing yacht. Z for zebra. Look at the zebra. Can you say zebra? Wonderful!